My earbuds are not working, so I decided to fix it myself. When I connected the charging cable, the light glows. I think the power IC is fine. Let's see the charging voltage. It's giving the required voltage. It means the power IC is good. You hear this sound? Maybe something fall apart inside. Let's open the case. See the magnets, this is what making the sound. It goes this way. Must remember to place the magnets to the opposite poles or else it will repel. Hence it will not allow to close the case. Without charging cable, the charging voltage is 1.7 volt, which is less than required. So maybe the problem is with the battery. Let's open it. Swollen battery means battery is not working. We have to replace it. The lid goes this way. It has quite powerful neodymium magnets. The circuit has only charging IC and nothing. Everything looks fine with the IC. Let's remove the battery. I will check the buds as well because it's not charging even when the charging cable is connected. We have to be careful not to break the wires or it's quite delicate, so be careful while opening the buds. The battery looks fine. Still, I will check the voltage. It shows no voltage means the dead battery. It is because I haven't used these buds for several months, hence the battery got over discharged. So I will change all of the three batteries. I brought each battery of around $1 and the bigger one is of $1.5. We have to remove the heat resistive tape before removing the battery. The leg with the 4 dots is the positive one, so don't get confused. But still I got trust issues, so I will check the polarity. Yep, perfect. Let's solder the new battery. After all, I am placing the things back. I have changed the case battery as well. Now you see the lights glowing, it means it's working now. The batteries are new, so I will charge it for few hours. Okay, hope you like this video and sure to subscribe. See you in the next video.